Hello guys, welcome back again. So today we are going to talk about how to start a cake business. I'm gonna take you through the requirements of having a successful cake business, and I hope you will learn a thing or two. Five things you need to do. Number 1, research about the cake business. In the cake business, there are different types of cakes one can venture into. You'll want to decide what kind of cakes you want to offer, or at least have a good idea. You can always adjust later on once you get some experience under your belt. So figure out, do you only want to do birthday cakes, wedding cakes, cupcakes, or cake pops? Only buttercream cakes, or will you offer fondant cakes? Know what kind of competition you have in your area and work to set yourself apart. You'll also need to know the ingredients, total cost, what are the different cake prices, and types of budgets. Talk to people who have worked with different cake businesses, the location you want to start the business in, equipment needed, and types of licenses needed. When starting a cake business, you will incur some costs. Number 1, licenses, insurance, baker's supplies and decorating tools, ingredients, the refrigerator, shelving, marketing materials, and setting up a website. At number 2 on the 5 things you need to do before you start a cake business, plan your business. Here you need to consider a few topics. What are the startup and ongoing costs? Who is your target market? How much can you charge customers? What will you name your business? Number 3, register or license your business. Failure to acquire necessary permits and licenses can result in hefty fines or even cause your business to be shut down. Number 4, develop an online presence using free online resources such as social media and local business registries. Last but not least, open a business bank account and credit card. You will want to choose the best business bank account so you can keep your personal finances separate. As a bonus advice, prepare mentally. Okay, I know you know this, but I have to say it. Practice first before you ever start selling cakes. Don't start before you're ready. Now, that doesn't mean you have to know everything, but you do need to be comfortable with the basics and have those down. Also, be prepared to grow a thick skin because you'll have to deal with complaints, changes at the last minute, cancelled orders after you've made them, etc., etc. Your boundaries will be pushed. Be kind, but be firm in your boundaries. Now that we have given you an insight of how to start a cake business, to get a full course on how to bake and manage the cake business, register and study with us at finstockuniversity.com. Make sure at the end of this video you like and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that once we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.